I might be living your American dream, but I'm nowhere near where my dream is, dog. I got aspirations. I got big dreams.
So hey guys, and welcome back to a video. My name is Linda. I talk about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and I just want to come and show you guys what I eat in a day. I am showing you guys like how certain things I got from the grocery store. This is just a small grocery like haul I did in the previous video. I'll show you guys more of that in an upcoming video. But here I'm just making a yogurt bowl with berries. Berries have been such a good thing for my skin, my overall body. I love berries. And I eat a lot more of them in a bowl like this or an acai bowl. Right here I'm just putting in granola. This is organic granola. Everything that I use from my seasonings, cooking. Oh, this is my breakfast. I had a croissant, uncured turkey bacon, pasture eggs, and potatoes. I stopped using a lot of hash browns. I'm showing you guys this. I didn't eat these, but this will be like a snack if my breakfast was smaller. Like during the week, this is what I would eat, but it's the weekend and me and my daughter are indulging this weekend. So I'm just showing you guys that. Here I am prepping dinner. I use a lot of peppers, y'all. I use a lot of peppers, onions, and I use a lot of herbs. Cilantro, parsley, paprika, pepper. I use pink Himalayan salt or sea salt, but once that is done, I think I'm going to change it out to Celtic salt. I hear that is way better for you, so I'm going to change that out. This is cured ground beef. Most of my meats I try to get uncured. I haven't went back to red meat, but here for my anemia, I may need to put some really healthy red meat. But I am going to be trying this, not a medicine, but something to help with that. That's not a pill from the doctor. So I'm just seasoning my meat. Y'all, these just small changes have changed like my life. Again, I'm making lasagna with a salad on the side. This may not be everybody's cup of tea still how I eat, but girl, I came a long way, okay? And I'm still learning. The next thing I want to try to take out is less bread and pasta. The bread and pasta I eat have great ingredients. I just want to cut down on the bread and the pasta. Also, I'm still a sweets girl, so yeah. But the next clip is gonna be me showing you the food. Y'all, this was so good. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys next week.
It's what you all been waiting for, ain't it? What people pay paper for, game it. They can't stain it, they want something new. So let's get reacquainted. Became the hood favorite, I can't even explain it. I surprised myself too. Life of a dawn, lights keep glowing. Coming in the club.